Hey there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Apple ID account phone number. First you just need to open your settings, then at the very beginning you will find your Apple account, just simply tap on it, and from here you will find sign in and security. Tap on that, and from here in this sign in and security section, in this email and phone numbers section, you will find all the emails and phone numbers listed that you have added to your Apple account or Apple ID. So as you can see, I don't have any phone number added yet, so you can just add a phone number by tap on this add email or phone number. Now from here you can just tap on phone number here, and from here you can just select the country code. From here you will find different types of country code, so you can just select according to your needs, according to your location. So here, and there you can just add your phone number from here. Then you can just tap on continue, and it will send a code to your phone number. So you just need to enter that code for verification. Then you can just easily add the phone number to your Apple ID easily. Then you can just find your phone number in this section. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.